All right, so we've calculated our cost of equity, cost of debt, and our market values of equity and debt. Now we have to calculate the weighted average cost of capital. Okay, so the formula is WACC equals VE over VE plus VD, okay, times KE, right, plus VD over VE plus VD times KD 1 minus T. All right. So we just substitute. And so our VE was 3.38 over 4.235. All right. 3.38 divided by 4.235, okay, times cost of equity was 11%, so the times 11%, all right, plus our VD was what? 0.855, 0.855, right, divided by 4.235 times, and times 9%, times 9%. So we tinker the calculators. Let's see who's joining in late. So let's do this. So 3.8 divided by 4.235. Let's do this step by step. 3.38 divided by 4.25. Supposed to get, I think, 0.79, if I recall. Run with the calculator to confirm. All right. Times 11. Yes.
Okay, 8.778.
Okay, so this is for this section only, right?
778.
38.778. So 778. So just 78. We just round off two figures, two decimal places. 0.855 divided by 4.235.
Then have you forgotten the plus there? VD or what?
Plus B. This V plus VD is this.
What about this the second one, which is saying VD divided by VE plus VD. Here, when we are factoring in, we have forgotten the plus. I don't know. It just times.
I think for the sake of knowing.
Where is saying I never put a plus?
I think. What he's saying is when we're finding the value of equity divided by the total capital that we have, we put that value separate and then we add the one for value of debt divided by the value of equity plus the value of debt multiplied by the cost of debt. So he's not seeing how that is done.
Oh.
Here when you add those figures.
Okay, so we just put it in as we put it step by step. Put the figure step by step then. So that
yes, we put the 8.778 alone plus now the value of debt.
Okay, so let me just see if I'm getting everyone right. So what you're saying is after we divide this, we just we write the value times this so that we get the final value, and for the same for this one. Instead of just doing it as a one-off.
We add those two.
Okay. What was 3.38 divided by, it was 7 point something, 7.798, huh? If I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm mistaken. Times 11%.
It's 8.679.
This one?
Yes. No, the first one.
This is 8.6.
When we multiply 0.798 times 11.
Oh yes, I'm saying let's not go there first. We're doing it by steps. So before we go there, just hold on. But this figure is correct, the 0.789, right?
Yes, it's correct.
Okay. So now divide this one 0.855 by 4.235.
Okay. 0.202.
0.202. Okay, times 9%. Okay. 9%. All right. Then now 0.78 times 11%, we got at 38.78.
That is what?
We say
0.798 and 11. No.
Yeah, it's
8.778.
Oh, me, I was saying 38. All right, 8.7.
No.
Yeah, because the average cost of capital would have been too high, too high.
Yes.
Plus 0.202 times 9.
1.818.
1.
I'm late. What are we looking at?
8.1.
Teacher.
Okay, we are looking at the investment appraisal questions. Okay, we're looking at question 3. This one, investment appraisal techniques. Okay, question 3. All right, this one. So we're just
the COVID-19 one.
Yes. So we're on part A. Right. We're trying to find the weighted average cost of capital.
Okay, thank you.
So don't worry, there are recordings. Okay, the only problem is you can't ask a recording questions. That's the only problem there.
So the total is 10.5 round of 11.
All right, 10.5. 10.5, round it off to 11%. All right, so we have found our weighted average cost of capital.